Oh, usapang matino one word lang. What's one word to describe our all-new staging?
One word.
Oh, Mr. Zuniga. Oh, sige, one word lang. Zuniga! 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 Oh, tama na, okay na yun.
Siguro.
One word lang.
One word.
One word lang.
Frison. F-R-I-S-S-O-N.
Prison.
Kaka-dictionary niya lang. Oh, kaka-dictionary ko lang doon. It means, the mix of the thrill and, the mix of fear and excitement.
Wow! I love that!
Parang pupunta na ng prison yun eh. Pero okay, thank you for the new word, Mr. Zuniga.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Vicencio.
Matapang. Matapang. At take note kung paano ko sinabi. Matapang.
Ay! Talagang matapang nga naman si Mr. Vicencio!
Mr. Abueva. Audacious.
Audacious!
We have the audacity to work hard and to leave it all on board. Ay, may explanation ko pala. One word lang. Okay na yun.
One word lang. Maraming salamat, Mr. Abueva. Of course, Mr. Garcia.
Nagliliyap.
Nagliliyap. Grabe naman yan siya. Thank you so much. Meron po bang gustong dumagdag mula sa ating OG cast?
Yes.
Meron po ba?
Energetic!
Okay. Thank you, Tita Sheila. Meron ba? Meron pa po ba?
Meron pa po ba?
Meron yan eh. Last night.
Can we have our, ayan,
si Paping.
our paping.
Excellent!
Grabe, with all of the words that we just heard, sobrang mas nagiging exciting nga naman. Kaya of course, wag niyo pong papalagpasan. Again, our all-new staging of Bar Boys The Musical.
Correct. Diba meron pang isang question?
Oo nga.
Ano?
Dahil nga naman sinabi niyo na ito ay all-new staging. Guys, do you think Bar Boys is a necessary piece of theater right now?
Kailangan ba natin siya? And why ha? Hindi lang siya yes or no.
Paki-explain.
And why? Meron po bang gustong sumagot? And this question is for everyone.
This is for everybody.
For everyone po.
Of course, ating mga new cast rin. Hello, hello.
Ulitin po namin, is Bar Boys the Musical a necessary piece of theater right now?
Yes!
Yes! Tita
Okay,
Sheila, bakit po?
Alam niyo ba ang nangyayari sa ating bayan ngayon? Sinong hindi nakakaalam? Kita niyo na? Kaya necessary theater ko. Kasi nangyayari sa ating bayan.
Tama!
Thank you po, Tita Sheila. May gusto bang dagdagan yung sagot ni Tita Sheila? Or natakot na kayo? Ayun pa ba?
Ayun.
Yun na.
Ano kasi, nakita nyo naman kung gaano kababata ng mga itong cast natin. Natanong kasi, na-bring up yung tanong na bakit palagi silang pinasasalamatan ng mga matatanda. Okay, ako na isa sa matatanda. Kasi nagpapasalamat kami sa kanila lahat sa pagpapatuloy ng paglaban. At itong musical na ito ay pagpapatuloy namin sa paglalaban.
Napakagandang sagot. Salamat po, Ate Nats.
Yes.
Meron pa po bang gusto sumagot from our new cast?
Oo nga. Baka naman, meron. Bago kami magtawa.
Ako na lang po.
Let's go!
This one is necessary kasi relatable yung story. Hindi lang to about, kung iniisip nyo about technical terms or about law school mismo, hindi. Kasi yung kwento niya, sobrang makaka-relate kayo about friendship, about family, about pag-surpass sa many challenges. Kasi lahat naman tayo may challenges. Magbibigay ito sa inyo ng fire and encouragement sa pag-abot sa inyong goals and dreams.
Maraming salamat, Ate Nats. Totoo po yan. Yun po talaga yung nararamdaman namin sa tuwing ginagawa at nire-rehearse at pinapanood namin itong book. Address po ito sa ating OG cast.
Yes,
This
OG cast.
question is from Nico Garcia of Radar Philippines. Alright. The first staging has become an instant classic? How does this all-new staging reflect the growth of any of the following? The story, your character, and yourself as an actor.
Yes.
Malinaw po or isang beses pa po?
Isa pa.
Isang beses pa
Parang
po.
pang Miss Universe na kasi.
Yes! Oo nga naman. Okay, the first staging has become an instant classic. Now, how does this all-new staging reflect the growth of any of the following? The story, your character, and yourself as an actor.
Yes. Okay, meron po ba from our OG
Okay.
cast? Mr. Abuel?
Yeah, I think that as a cast, none of us thought that we would be doing this again this year. We didn't realize that it would be so relevant to put the show together one more time, bigger, better, stronger, to send a stronger message to the people in our country that is supposed to be serving us, that they need to do better. And so as the good in our country, as Tita Sheila always says, the good can always be better. And so this year, Bar Boys the musical is going to be bigger and better.
Wow!
Bigger and better.
Yes,
Tama
thank
naman.
you so much, Alex. Meron pa po bang gusto sumagot? Ayun.
Sa akin, nung sinimulan namin yung Bar Boys, I was also a newbie theater actor hanggang ngayon naman. And nung sinimulan ko siya, ginagawa ko siya para sa sarili ko kung paano maging better as an actor, as an artist. Nahirapan ako, to be honest. Pero nung nagkaroon kami ng opportunity to do it again, yung gap na yon nung time na hindi namin siya ginagawa, mas dumagdag yung rason kung bakit ko ginawa yung Bar Boys at kung bakit ko pagagawin ulit yung Bar Boys. And going back to why is theater necessary? Because theater is not just about entertainment. It's about a movement. It's something that we should do na hindi lang as actors but also as audience, na may responsibility tayo to watch and to of course perform kung ano yung sa tingin natin na nag-resonate sa pagkatao natin. And we don't just do this for ourselves, we also do this for the betterment of our country.
Yes! Napakagandang sagot. Thank you so much, Benedict.
Sobra.
Of
Grabe.
course. Meron pa po ba sa atin yung cast naman? Baka meron kayong gustong ibahagi? I-share ano mga thoughts niyo? Elian? I can see you looking at me.
Sorry, nag-eye contact kasi kami. Pero, yeah, part of the new cast, I wasn't part of the old staging just as an audience member. Pero just from watching, compared to doing it right now, somehow Bar Boys always manages to be a very contemporary piece. It manages to reflect not just the social and political state of our nation and where we, especially as youth, kabataan, fit into it, but also reflects many evolving struggles that continue to change and differ in the modern age, especially in terms of the environment, in terms of the digital sphere, and how we navigate these new challenges. So I find it still very relevant today.
Of course. Thank you, Elian. Grabe, no? Grabe. At nag-agree ako dun kasi everyday sa rehearsals talaga, kailangan dumadating kami doon ng prepared, inaral namin. Hindi lang yung lines namin, kung bakit natin to ginagawa. Lagi siyang nakakapit sa nangyayari ngayon. At dahil nga nagsalita na ang ating new cast, time to move on to our second question.
Yes.
At etong second question to, galingan nyo, dapat tama. Kasi dapat may verbatim tayo rito. Lagod kayo nakikinig ang ating MD.
Ayan,
Mr.
ayan,
Mike
ayan.
Salmon.
Magkakaalaman tayo.
Dahil
Yes.
ang next question na galing from Christiana Pinpin of Cinehub, which lyric from the musical would you like everyone to remember and live by, and why? Ulitin ko which lyric from the musical would you like everyone to remember and live by, and why? So paano na itong patikin sa kanila kung yung mga songs na marinig nila sa
Yes.
musical? To the new cast sana. Sige, pero sige, okay, go, Josh. Sorry. Okay lang, okay lang.
Ready siya, ready siya.
Go!
Siguro yung song ng ending ng Bar Boys, it's called Pagsubukan Muli. I think that song is one of the most important songs that everybody needs to hear and really listen to the lyrics itself. Kasi merong line doon na, may singil ang pangarap at handa akong pagbayaran to dahil it will be better.
Ganda. Naniniwala ka it will be better?
Of course!
Yun. Naniniwala po ba kayo na it will be better? Di po kami convinced. Naniniwala po ba kayo? Mr.
Thank
Zuniga.
you.
Okay. Oh, ito.
Mabilis lang. Same kung siya ending ako umpisa. Sabi nga ng daming director na si Miko Angeles, favorite niya rin to. Iko-quote ko siya. Ang favorite niya din is yung first song line, which is, libre ang managinip. Yun lang.
Oh, grabe.
Tama.
Super short pero sobrang deep, no? Libre ang managinip. Tama.
Tama naman talaga.
Meron pa ba?
From the
Sabi
new
niya,
cast, we would like to
nakita ko.
encourage. Ito mga nasa harap kaya.
Ate John.
One lyric is, ang sakripisyo ko ay hindi lang para sa akin, ang sakripisyo ko ay para sa tunay na tao.
Oh, wonderful. Grabe. Totoo yan.
Tama. Denise, kaya ba? Kaya natin to eh. Oo eh. Wala pa kalahati, di ba? Oh, game. Dito baka naman meron dito sa site nito.
Okay, sige.
Hindi na, bukota na. Charing na. Joke lang. Okay.
Do you want to answer, of course, Leo?
Doon naman sa kanta ni Paping na karapat-dapat. Yung karapat-dapat ka sa pag-ibig, buhay at saya. Yan.
Lahat tayo, karapat-dapat. Nasaan niyo po yan?
Highlight sa pag-ibig. Karapat-dapat tayo sa pag-ibig. Naniniwala po ba kayo doon? O di hindi.
Alam niyo mga nagkakaroon. Parang may mga...
Sana po pag nilay-nilayan niyo yun.
Yes.
Okay, next.
One last po.
For me, sa Bittersweet.
Ayun, okay. Last na po.
Ayun.
Dami gusto
Sige, si Rome tapos si Papi.
Bittersweet, quitting is the bravest thing I'll ever do. May tapang sa pag-amin. Hanggang dito na lang.
Kinanta niya.
Kinanta niya eh.
Kinanta niya.
Hoy, may explanation yun and why? Oo.
I think, ang powerful yung pag-play ng narrative na yes ay, may redirection.
Redirection.
Right?
Tama.
Thank you, Rome. Salamat.
Maraming salamat. Si Paping daw.
Sa akin, for entertainment purposes, you have to watch out for this part kasi magiging catchphrase to. Pagka kinanta nyo lahat yung Big Burnick! Big Burnick! Malalaman nyo sa play kung bakit Big Burnick, so watch it. Yeah, watch it.
Opo, abangan na lang po natin po. Opo.
Hindi ko naisip yun. Si Papi. Maraming salamat po sa